Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I show you 4 basic things about text editing in Photopea. It will start with how to enter text, then change the font size, change the text color, and change the font type. First, we start by creating a new project. To enter text, tap on the Type tool and start typing. After typing, we can set the position where the text will be placed. This is a way to change the size of text or letters quickly. Please click on the text you created, then activate Keep Aspect Ratio. Now you can resize the text as you need by dragging from the 4 corners. Next is how to change the color of the text. Get started by pressing the Type tool. Then, click on your text. Press Ctrl+ on the keyboard to activate text. Choose the color we want. This is how to change the font type. Please activate the text, then select the type of letter you want. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.